Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need two prerequisites: Outlook Desktop signed into your Microsoft 365 account and the Teams desktop app installed with its add-in enabled. Once those are ready, open Outlook Calendar and click New Meeting. Choose a calendar slot and add a clear title. Make sure to pick correct time zone and duration, then add required attendees. This immediate setup gets you into the meeting composer without detours, so you can create the Teams meeting link next. Now, in the meeting window, click the Teams meeting button in the ribbon. This injects the join link and dial-in info into the body automatically. Once inserted, inspect the link to confirm it's a Teams URL and add an agenda and any attachments for context. You should also set required versus optional attendees and use Scheduling Assistant to resolve conflicts. Make sure meeting options like lobby or presenter roles are prepared before sending. Finish by reviewing permissions. Click Meeting Options in the Teams link to set who bypasses the lobby and who can present. Then send the invitation and monitor attendee responses in Outlook Calendar. Once done, pin the meeting to your calendar or copy the Teams link into chat if required. If the Teams meeting button or link is missing, restart Outlook, ensure the Teams add-in is enabled, and sign out /into Teams to re-establish the integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.